Did you just buy a new carpet? Or are you looking to buy a new carpet? One of the most important things to consider is how much it's going to cost to maintain that carpet. In this video, we will tell you everything you need to know about maintaining your carpet, such as how to clean it, how often you need it professionally cleaned to stay within warranty, and most importantly, how much that's going to cost you. Hi, I'm Jessica Mashinsky, the marketing manager.
I'm Vinny Verga Jr.
And I'm Rob Lewis, the content writer.
Let's get started.
To start, we're going to talk about what you can do to maintain your carpet and the costs associated, from spot cleaning to vacuuming to shampooing. The best cleaners for carpet are specifically designed for treating spots and stains, and it's a two-part process. The first thing you'll need will be a pre-mist cleaner, and these typically cost somewhere between $10 to $20. In addition to the pre-mist, you'll also need the powder pail. And the powder pail ranges, but you're going to spend somewhere between $40 and $60. So total investment, you're going to be somewhere between $50 and $80. This is the best way for treating stains, especially those of a liquid nature in your carpet. Now, when it comes to pet urine, that's a little bit more tricky. So you're going to want to look a little bit more specifically for something designed with a higher acidity level, like urine or pet vomit. And when it comes to cleaners, Capture and Bona are some of the better ones that are out there in the industry. I will warn against bleaching, ammonia, or distilled vinegar, as these are high in acidity, so while they might get the stain out, they're going to discolor the carpet over time. So be careful. The next thing you can do to take care of your carpets is vacuum. We all have vacuums, but if you're looking for a great vacuum, you're going to spend somewhere between $20 and $400. The best range as far as getting a decent vacuum is going to be between $50 and $80. As far as vacuum goes, it's really important to understand the height of the carpet you're vacuuming and the beater bar in the vacuum, as if the height's not adjusted correctly, this can cause some problems when vacuuming. So make sure that you're consulting the specifications of your carpet when selecting the right vacuum or adjusting your beater bar. Vacuuming weekly is the best when it comes to proper maintenance. Finally, there are specifically designed vacuums that are made to shampoo your carpet. And it's going to cost somewhere between $120 and $150 for a good shampooer for your carpets, and about $10 for a bottle of soap. And this will last you a while. The key with shampooing is you want to do it about monthly, and you want to be careful not to oversaturate the carpet, because if it gets too wet, that can seep beneath the surface and cause mold and mildew problems long term. So just make sure that you're not oversaturating any areas, and that if you are, you're making sure you're drying it out after you're done.
The other thing that affects the cost of maintenance for carpets is professional cleanings. Most carpets you'll buy require professional cleanings yearly in order to keep the warranty valid. And they can range anywhere from $100 to $250 depending on where you get them. The cost really depends on the size of the room, how much furniture needs to be moved, and the time and labor that it takes to get the job done. And as I mentioned, in order to keep the warranty valid, you usually need a professional cleaning once a year or 18 months, depending on the manufacturer. As far as final costs go, you could expect to initially be spending $300 to $500 on the first year, getting all of the materials that you need to regularly upkeep the carpet by yourself, as well as that first professional cleaning. After that, you would only really be spending about $150 to $200 about a year on the professional cleanings, and then on any of the items that you run out of.
For more information, read our article on the cost of maintaining the carpet by clicking the link below. You can also conduct your own research and test out different products and see which ones work best for you. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and be sure to subscribe for more content. Make sure to clean your carpets well, because you never know what could be lurking beneath the surface. See what I mean?